Today I have before me HP laptop, and my task here is to replace the hard drive in this laptop. And this is HP 15. You can confirm the model by turning over and looking at the back plate. The back plate here, you see the inscription. It is quite faint, so sometimes I like using my magnifying lens to look at it. And when you look at it, you see right here it is this magnifier is not working with the camera, so you can see here it is HP laptop model 15 dash. It is model ID is 15 DA0071MS. Okay, so that proves that this laptop it's a HP 15 laptop, but specifically the model ID here is 15 DA0071MS. So that's the model number written right here. You can see that with the aid of the glass. So it is HP laptop model 15 DA0071MS. So that's it. My task here is to replace the hard drive in it. Okay, so to get to the hard drive, I will have to take off this back panel, and I have my screwdriver with me. And there are, first of all, I'll take off 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that are uncovered. There are yet some other screws underneath this rubber stand. The 2 rubber stands are covering some other screws, so I also have to take off this rubber stand and remove the screws in it, underneath it, and also this rubber stand, and remove the screws in it. So let's get started. Okay, so since this screw is off, I can take out the optical drive and set it aside. I'm using this flat screwdriver. You can take it off and remove. Okay, next go to the other rubber stand. Okay. Okay. So another one here. Keep this one down a bit. Okay. Okay, so that's all. And next, then you can use a prying tool like this to move around the edges, and get the back plate off. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think everything is done. So okay, here it is. Here it is. Meanwhile, while you're here, you can do memory upgrades or battery replacement. For now, my interest is on this hard drive. So gently pull it up and take it out. Okay. So here is a hard drive I'm replacing, and okay, so I'll get the new one and put it back in. So I have a new hard drive for the replacement. So next is just to place the new hard drive there and couple everything back in, and that's all. Okay, this is open. The information in this video will be useful to someone out there in the world. Thank you.